guys, what's up? It's Kelly. Today what I got going on for you is I did a tutorial over this super fun look. I recently purchased the Morphe 35V palette. It's so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I had purchased it the other day just, you know, because I've been loving my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palettes. You guys know how I feel about Jaclyn Hill, but I have been loving her collaboration. I actually purchased 2 of her Vault palettes. I got Dark Magic and the Armed and Gorgeous, and I've been really liking these, so when I went and picked up this palette, I was like, holy crap, need to do a video on it because I love Morphe so much. I'm actually purchasing some of Jaclyn Hill's brushes and some more Morphe brushes within the next couple weeks because like most all of my collection here at home and most all of the brushes that I use in my videos are Morphe, and I just absolutely love the quality. And yes, thank you for coming to my TED Talk about Morphe. But today I decided it would be fun to sit down and film my makeup tutorial. I've been really feeling super creative because I am moving into a new space soon. I'm going to be getting a new filming setup, new room, new everything because I'm moving into my own apartment. So excited! Hopefully I'll have a video out on that for you guys later as well. So enough chit chat. If you guys want to see how to get this makeup look, this fun blue-pink cut crease, then just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so we're going to be creating this look right here. First I'm starting off with priming my eyes. Today I'm using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden, and I'm using a Morphe sculpting sponge to blend that out. The sponge is dry, by the way. Then I'm taking my 35V palette from Morphe and using this kind of burgundy pink sort of shade, and I'm using this on a soft blender brush, blending this into the crease and then blend it up a little bit above the crease. There's going to be a lot of blending in this video. And then I'm taking this darker purple, kind of still burgundy-ish, I don't know, word colors on a different blender brush. This one's a little bit more stiff, so I decided to pop that into my actual crease. And then I'm taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and I'm going to carve out my crease as well as kind of wing it out on the end. I'm not usually really good at these ones, and I really wanted to try it today, and it actually turned out pretty good. So I just pack that concealer on and make sure that the lines are quite precise. And then with this shimmery champagne pink shade, I'm going to be buffing this in with a little smudger pencil brush. I'm putting it mostly all over the lid. I just really want to get it as close to that cut as possible, and then I pack it over the rest of the lid. Then with that Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, again, I'm going to be putting this in my eyeliner area. I'm going to be creating a wing with it. The reason why I put down another concealer is so that it packs down really nice. And I'm taking this aqua blue green shade in that 35V palette and I'm putting it exactly where I had placed all of the concealer. With my Urban Decay Razor Sharp eyeliner in Deep End, I'm going to be carving out first that cut crease. So going right over top of the line in between that pink shadow and the shimmer shadow. Make sure you really take your time when you're putting this eyeliner down, that way it looks nice and precise. My second eye didn't turn out as good because I wasn't as precise with it. After that, I'm going to be lining around the eyeshadow eyeliner that I did just to make the whole look kind of coerce together and give it a little bit more of a drama and unity. With my Bad Gal Bang mascara, I'm going to be coating my top lashes first and preparing them for my false lashes. So this is just a quick little look at the eyes so far. Now I have to leave you guys because I have to go to work. Skip forward 6 hours later, I'm back from work. I get all of the extra oils off of my face. I'm just using a Kleenex for this because my face is kind of already clean. And then I put on these lashes. They are the Ardell Faux Mink lashes in 811. And then with my Loreal Pro Glo Foundation in 202, I'm going to be blending this right on the skin. I didn't use any primer today, with the limited edition Star brush from IT Cosmetics. This has been my favorite foundation brush right now. You guys will see me use this a lot because I find that it just blends out the lines so perfectly, and I can get really close to my brows without accidentally touching them or ruining them. So I blend this all over the face, and I'm always sure to blend the foundation down the neck because this one is like half a shade too dark for me. Then I take my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in the color Fair Neutral, I believe. And I start buffing this in with a Morphe MB8 foundation brush. I don't know why I like to use a foundation brush. I think that it just gives a really nice seamless finish since I use a brush for the foundation too. And this one packs on the concealer so nice, and it's easy to blend out. Next, with my RCMA powder and another Morphe brush, I think this is the MB2 brush, I'm going to be packing it into my baking areas and then using whatever else of the powder that I have on the brush and on my palette to finish setting the rest of the face. With my Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette, I'm taking the deep contour shade, and I'm going to start chiseling out my cheeks. I like using this Morphe contour brush. This is the M438 brush. This is my absolute favorite contour because it's so soft, so easy to put on, and it just blends out the look really well for that deep contour shade. Then I'm taking a little eye brush. I've been starting to use eye brushes for contouring my nose lately just because I felt like my nose contour has been particularly messy as of lately, and I just want to kind of bump it up a little bit. Next, I'm going in with my Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. You guys, this is a new favorite. I absolutely love this bronzer. And then I'm taking a Morphe bronzer brush for that one. I start to warm up the cheeks, and then I warm up the forehead, down my neck, and the sides of my nose. I'll even do a little bit underneath the lip sometimes, just to make sure my whole face looks uniform. And with my Anastasia blush kit in Radiance, I can't remember which color this one is called, but I'm using that for my blush today. I go a little bit lighter and blend it in with a IT Cosmetics brush. Now with the first blender brush that we used on our eyes with that lighter pink color in the Morphe palette, I'm going to be dusting this on my lower lash line and kind of just getting a better blend to all the colors I'm going to put down there. Next, on a small smudger brush, I'm taking that darker pink shadow and putting it all along the lash line and as close as possible to the lash line. Then with my NYX Tight Eyeliner, I'm going to line the bottom of my eyes. You guys never see me do this in videos because I'm so bad at it, if you can see here. And I also get styes from eyeliner. I don't know what goes on with that, but I just always do if I line my waterline. I finish off my lashes with the Bad Gal Bang Mascara and give my face a spritz of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. With my Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, I'm going to take the color Starburst. This has a little bit more of that champagne-y pink that I absolutely love for this type of look, and I dust it on all of my high areas, such as like underneath my brow bones, my cheeks, my nose. Don't forget the inner corner, the cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin too. Next, I'm lining my lips with this NYX Suede lip liner just to give it a little bit more definition and pop. And I'm actually going to blend this into my entire lip because I'm going to go over with a full coverage gloss. With my Hi-Fi Shine lip gloss from Urban Decay in Backtalk, I'm going to be lightly dusting my lips with that. Just give it a little bit of a shimmer and shine. And you guys, that's going to be it for the look today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to tune in next time. I'm going to have a couple more makeup videos up for you, but this one was just really fun to do today. Alright you guys, so that's going to be it for the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I absolutely love doing makeup tutorials. I feel so good when I actually have time to sit down and do something fun on camera instead of just like regular boring old meh. And I've been feeling really super inspired in my makeup lately. I just wanted to let you guys know I am really close to 1.5 thousand on Instagram. If you guys want to go follow me there, my @ handle will be linked down below. It's ColeBunsMUA. If you guys want to go check me out, I do post all of the looks that I do in my videos, or at least most of them for the most part, plus other looks on top of that too. If you guys want to go check me out, that would be super duper cool. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and a subscribe to me, please. You see my dog? How cute is he? He's so cute. Are you so cute? Dallas, are you so cute? You're so cute. Okay, alright, thank you again for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!